Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Ginger beef stir fry. Let's get to it. Now, this is the first thing we're going to do. I have a wok here. I've already added some oil to the wok, and we're going to fry up these ginger. This is fresh ginger I cut into little sticks. Add that to the wok. We're going to cook these until it turns a nice golden brown and crisp up. Okay. I think they're ready to come out now.
Would you say this is a corner takeout?
Yes, it is. Now that I've taken the ginger sticks out of the wok, we're going to move on to the next step. Now I'm seasoning the beef with black pepper and salt.
This is a really quick dish, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it doesn't require too much extra work. That's why it's good for a weeknight dinner.
We're going to add it to the beef to the wok.
This should come out really good when it's all done.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a good one. Never tried this before. I've had all kinds of other Asian dishes, but not this.
Not a ginger beef stir fry?
Nope. I mean, I've had ginger in, ginger is a prominent ingredient in most Asian dishes, but never solely just ginger beets.
Okay. Now we'll let this cook up for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, I think it's fried up enough. Now we're going to take it out of the wok. Now we're going to make the sauce. I have Chinese wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, red pepper flakes, and cornstarch. Now I'm going to add some oyster sauce. I already added the soy sauce to the
earlier. Yeah, I saw when you did that.
Mix this up. Add the brown sugar. Mix that up.
Those two ingredients, or those three ingredients, seem to be always a base for Chinese recipes, it seems.
Yes, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar.
And cornstarch too.
That's the cornstarch is a thickener. Mix that up.
And this is Asian food without MSG. No MSG used. For all the ingredients for this recipe, it will be in the description box below. Like, share, comment, so we can get in the algorithm.
Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we go back to the wok, turn it on. I have here minced garlic, ginger, and onions. Yellow onions. Going to stir this up. We're going to cook this for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add the snow peas and the broccoli.
Oh, that's a good combination. And you could use sugar snap peas as a substitute for snow peas if you don't have them around.
And we're going to add the spinach. Fresh spinach, not frozen. Frozen spinach have too much water in it.
Or you can use baby spinach too.
Yeah. Now we're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till it wilts up.
I like all this green vegetables. It's all very healthy. Anything green I like.
Now we're going to add the sauce in. And some red pepper flakes. If you don't like the heat, you can omit that. Now we stir this up and we let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add the beef back in.
It's already starting to look pretty good.
Yes, we're going to stir everything up together and we're going to let it all cook up for about 3 minutes. Then it'll be time to serve it up.
Listen.
Now we're going to add the ginger sticks on top. Now it's all plated up. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And also check out some of my older videos in the screen below. Bye. Hit that like button.